What's up, everyone? Today I'm showing
Enemy
you
down.
the absolute best. Use broken switchblade, X9 build in codm Season 5. You're gonna want to stay tuned for this one. If you are new to the channel, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button.
Enemy inside.
Drop a like on the video, and don't forget to hit that notification
Enemy
bell
down.
so you never miss out on these insane builds. Let's get right into it.
Hardpoint identified. Counter UAV is up. Good work. Hardpoint
Targets
is
in
ours.
sight.
Ready to jam enemy UAV. We've taken the lead.
Target down.
Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective.
Tango down. Reloading. Cover me.
Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down.
Enemy down.
Recon ready for deployment.
Tango down.
Hardpoint is ours. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Targets in sight.
Hardpoint locked down. We've taken the lead. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Changing mag.
Recon standing by. UAV recon standing by. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested.
Enemy in sight.